Proper care and maintenance of the Projector, Infantry, anti-tank, or PIAT, requires some general disassembly, referred to as a field strip. This includes removal of the working parts and monopod, and can be accomplished without the use of any tools. Ensuring the PIAT is unloaded and not cocked is the first step to any disassembly or maintenance. If the spigot is visible in the bomb support, the PIAT is not cocked and unloaded. To disassemble, lift the spring catch holding the rear end cap in position on the outer casing. Unscrew the rear end cap by turning the shoulder piece counterclockwise then withdraw the working parts. The monopod can be removed by loosening the wing nut. With the PIAT field stripped, it can be properly cleaned and then reassembled. To assemble the PIAT, reattach the monopod in the reverse of disassembly and hand tighten the wing nut. Standing the PIAT upright on the bomb support, push the working parts into the outer casing as far as possible. Partly press the trigger and push the working parts home. Completely pressing the trigger will cause the sear to rise and prevent assembly. Do not force the parts into the outer casing. Screw the rear end cap on by turning the shoulder piece clockwise. Some pressure is needed to slightly compress the mainspring. Take care not to damage the threads on the outer casing. The white lines on the cap and outer casing should coincide. The next film in the series will cover cocking and uncocking. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.